guys, today we're going to grind our meat, and we're going to make a mince meat. Yes, and using your own machine at home. And I bought this machine, and I bought this machine in, where did I buy it? I'll put the shop the name of the shop down in the description. Okay, all what you need when you want to grind your meat or make the mince, you just need your meat, which is ready, clean meat, and you need the machine working well. This is the machine. You can use this machine as well to make sausage. Yeah, and this is we use this for pushing in the meat. When the meat is stuck, then you use this to push in the meat. So this one is the on button. This one is on button, and this one is not really pressure, but this one is too much pressure when you want the meat to come out. And you just need your clean bowl where the meat is going to, and a plug ready. Our mince is ready. It's finally ready. It's ready to cook. Looks beautiful, delicious, though it's raw. To clean the machine, you just need to open this. And remove this one. You see? And remove this one also. You see, it has a lot of meat. To clean it, you check inside. This is the grinder. It works almost like a blender, fruit juice blender or smoothie. That's how it looks inside, and the meat goes like this. That's how it looks inside. Yeah, then you just clean it. You don't need to clean it with water. You need to clean it with a damp cloth. Yeah, I'll put everything in the description. Thank you.